I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Instagram. Open your profile and tap the Tagged Photos tab so you're on the exact content. Once there, tap the post and then the three-dot menu or the photo itself to reveal tag controls. This is where you act. You can choose to remove yourself from the tag or hide the post from your profile. Make sure you understand that removing removes the tag link, while hiding only hides it from your profile view. Now choose the action. Tap Remove Me from Post to unlink your account, which stops the photo from appearing as a tagged image. Once done, confirm when Instagram prompts you. That completes deletion of the tag. Alternatively, choose Hide from My Profile if you want the tag preserved but not shown on your profile. This keeps the association but removes public profile visibility. Make sure to check the post afterwards to verify the change took effect. Finish by double-checking the Tagged Photos tab to confirm the photo is gone or hidden from your profile. If you still see the tag, force a refresh, log out and back in, or update the app to clear cached data. If that doesn't help, make sure the person didn't retag you. Otherwise, use Settings Help report a problem to contact Instagram support. One troubleshooting tip: clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app often resolves display inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.